Hi friends, now I would like to explain how do you find the differentiation using MATLAB software. And we know that there are two types of differentiations. One is ordinary derivative and another one is the partial derivative according to with respect to how many number of variables we are going to differentiate. First let us see what is the syntax for differentiating using MATLAB software. So this is a DIFF is the syntax inside the function for what you are going to differentiate, and in place of x this is the variable, any variable with respect to what variable you would like to differentiate, and the order at which order you would like to differentiate. Now let us take one example, x into sin x. Observe here, this is the function in terms of x, the input is in terms of the variable x, and after differentiating its result also in terms of the variable. So that means x we have to define as a symbol in MATLAB. For that the syntax is SYMSX. See, these are MATLAB syntax, SYMSX to define the symbol variable as a symbol. Now this is the function x into sin x. Here f means in place of f you can take anything, either y or u or z, whatever you would like to take. Now see, this is the main syntax. The syntax in a MATLAB are always in terms of the small caps, so that's why DIFF the syntax. Now the function we already f is defined as x into sin x. With respect to x we would like to differentiate, and this is 1. And see what is the output for this differentiation of f with respect to x, sin x plus x into cos x. The same way, suppose I would like to say the same function I would like to differentiate with respect to x up to the second order. So twice I would like to differentiate. So this is, or suppose you would like to differentiate with respect to 10 in place of 2, you can assign 10. See the same thing, suppose you would like to find these in command window. See, let us see what you will get using command window. Now first I will define variable as a symbol. Now the function, suppose I would like to take y, x into sin x. Into means you should give by star. Differentiation of y with respect to x. I am not assigning any order. So that means if you are not assigning any order means it will take defaultly as a first order. Suppose I would like to differentiate y with respect to x up to third order. So that means thrice I would like to differentiate. So this is the same way. Let us see how do you find partial derivatives. How do you find the partial derivatives? So let us see here. So what is the syntax for the partial derivative? The syntax is almost similar, only that changes with respect to what variable you would like to differentiate. So let us see, let us take one example, e power x plus y square root of x square plus y square. Here the function is in terms of two independent variables, so that's why I am defining x and y as a symbols, and u I am taking the function e power x plus y square root of x square plus y square. With respect to x, suppose ux, this is LHS part, it's nothing but you can assign anything, but this is the main syntax part of the MATLAB differentiation. F, here u we have defined, so that means we have to take u in place of u. So this is u, it's clear, ux1, and similarly here also we have to take u. So this is with respect to y. The same thing let us type in command window. Okay, so let us type in the command window. First I will clear the command window. Now we define x and y as a symbols. Now I will take u is exp of x plus y, because for the exponential in MATLAB the syntax is exp into, for square root in MATLAB syntax is sqrt, x square plus y square. Now I would like to differentiate u with respect to x. So the syntax differentiation of u with respect to x, first order. Suppose I would like to differentiate u with respect to x thrice, so third order. So that is differentiation of u with respect to x 3 times. The same thing, suppose u I would like to differentiate with respect to y twice. Differentiation of u with respect to y second order. So this is, friends, how do you find differentiation using MATLAB software. Thank you.